Hello guys, most of them get answer 2 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. 9 minus 6 is 3. Multiply this 2. Divide by 3. Now this is 3 times 2 is 6. Divide by this 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication and divisions are same priority, as well as in final addition and subtractions are same priority. We have to follow this order left to right in the problem. We have here subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtractions. So in this order left to right we have to do this first. So 9, this is minus 6 times 2 is 12, divide by this 3. Now we have to do this first. Now in this 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now 9 minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 is 5. This is the correct answer.